What's going on, guys? What is up? What is up? So, what's up, Kenny? What's up, Fidencia? Sarah, what's up? What is up, everybody? Um, excuse me. Let me see. What is up, family? What is up? What is up, everybody? How is everybody doing today? How are you guys? Hopefully, you are doing pretty decent. What is up? What is up? What is up? What is up? Share the YouTube. Get some people on here. Start posting it. It's gonna be a good class, okay? And I got some special announcements for you guys, all right? For people who've been following me, trying to get information. Share the YouTube. Post it in your story. Get some people on. All right. Let people know we are lit, that we're live. Post in the telegrams. Let people know we're on today. Okay. Let people know we are on today. I was thinking to have Cam on today, Cam off today. I don't know. I don't know what today is like. Cam on, Cam off. I don't know. What is up, family? What's up? What's up? What's up? What is up? Yeah, I'm doing good, Fidencia. I'm good. I'm doing good. I'm doing good. I'm doing all right. Share the post, guys. Get some people in here. We at least need like 70 to 100 people in here. What am I doing here? Let me see. Okay. But how are you guys? Hopefully everyone's had a great weekend. We can let me see, start looking at charts. Let me share my screen. Window. Nice. What is up, guys? What is up? What is up? What's up, family? How's everybody doing? Hopefully, y'all doing well. Hopefully, you guys are doing well. All right, we're going to mark up some charts today. We're going to look for a few things. All right. Let me see who's in here. What is up, guys? Okay. So, good evening, everybody. All right. So, before I even get started, hold on, let me put on my camera. Let me see. Before I even get started, okay? By popular demand, I'm letting you all know. All right. Well, first of all, who's been rocking with me the past 3 weeks of my live trade sessions? Let's just put that in the air. Happy Sunday, guys. Who's been rocking with me for the past 3 weeks with my live trading sessions? Put in the chat. If you've been rocking with me in my live trade sessions, I know y'all have. I need everyone who's been rocking with me to say me in the chat. Okay. All right. Okay. So, and I want you guys to be completely honest because not everyone has been here, right? Some people are brand new and they're thinking to themselves, okay, is Ryan Sessions actually fire? Is TTA's live sessions actually fire? Or is it all smoke and mirrors, you know? And I want you guys to put in the chat for me. How fire are the live sessions? How accurate have we been? I just want you to put so the people watching can know. All right. So the people who just have the binoculars staring at us, wondering what's going on from outside, I just want them to know what we've been doing on the inside. Lynn said 95%. That's ridiculous. That is ridiculous. Don't mind me eating my ice cream. I'm having a good day today. Andrea says sniper entries. I mean, we do get good entries. Our entries have been really clean. For the most part, if you really look at our entries, have we been getting a lot of drawdown, guys? Like it's pretty rare we go in some steep drawdown, isn't it? I would say the vast majority of time, clean entry, practically no drawdown. Right? Lynn said no cap. Hold on, Lynn.
Stop the cap.
We gotta start going in with the soundboard now. Exactly. Usually straight to blues. Sabine Freeman, right? So if you guys aren't in my live sessions, you're missing out. You're missing out. I'm just letting you know right now, you're missing out. Okay? And by popular demand, I'm going to do one more week with you guys live trading every day New York session because you guys wanted it so bad. I just need this week off to recalibrate. But next week, September 11th, I will do one final week trading every day and teaching nightly and doing a few master classes with you guys. Okay? Because you guys want it so bad. Oh my God. One more. Can he do one more? Oh my God. Yes, I can. I'm doing it again. One more time. Who said I'm gonna stop? I can't stop. Are you dumb? Woo! Ric Flair. If you thought I was done.
Congratulations. You played yourself.
Tell him, DJ Khaled. Tell him. All right. Because we're going crazy. We're going crazy. One last week. Get pumped up. Okay, all right, I'm done. All right. So September 11th, I will be trading live every New York session. I also will be teaching master classes. I'll have a few master classes on that week as well, too. Okay? Because so many people wanted it again. And I swear they all was going to be done, but I need a good week to rest, and then we'll do one last week. You need for class, Cam? I got you. Inbox me, bro. I got you. It is fun for class. Cam was like, I want the soundboard. I know you want it, bro, but I can't. I don't know if I can just. I don't know if I can just give it to you, bro. You might have to pay me. You know what I'm saying? Maybe, I don't know. All right, so let me. So description is actually, or the link, guys, is actually in our link tree. I'm gonna copy it, send it to you guys. All right, and it is only $77 for the week. All right, $77 for the week. $11 a day. $11 a day. Now, for everyone in the chat who's been rocking with me for 3 weeks on my live sessions, is $77 worth a week trading live with me every day? Put in the chat for me, please. I don't even want to speak on it. Is $77, $11 a day worth trading with me every day? I just need to know. I need to know. It's a steal? Alicia said it's not a steal. Alicia, you disappoint me. You can easily make $77 in one day with me. Okay? Easily.
Stop the cap.
Okay? Finance said can make that in 2 seconds on NAS. You can. Cassandra said you'll easily make that back and more. I know, Cassandra. That's why I'm dropping the link. I want everyone who is ready to go to the link. Make sure to get in now. A lot of y'all are talking about the price. $200 is too much. Okay, we dropped it to $77 for 1 week. Okay, a whole week with me. You know, you might learn more in 1 week with me than 1 year with other people. I'm not lying. Because they're not live trading in front of you, are they? No. Okay, then. Don't make me get in my bag today. Don't make me get in my bag today. I'm trying to have a chill day. I'm trying to sip on my Slurpee. Very relaxed today. Y'all see me, you feel me? The ice cream. I'm very relaxed today. Okay? I'm in junk food heaven today. I don't usually have junk food. Y'all know I'm very healthy. So I'm trying to be very calm and enjoy the Lord's Day, the Sunday. But I'm letting y'all know it's going to be extremely, extremely worth it. Okay? Very worth it. And if you don't believe it's worth it,
Stop the cap.
Okay? I don't know what to tell you. I got 100 people on here. Probably half of them were on my live sessions. They'll tell you straight up, we've been 85 to 90% accurate. Overall, drawdown has been practically non-existent. And I teach for hours. What other mentors live trading like that? Please let me know. Let me know. Talk to me real nice in the chat today, chat. Talk to my brethren. Thank you, Andrew. Tell him talk to me real nice. Talk to me real nice. Because I will get in my bag today. Let me see. I'm just saying. I'm dropping the link for y'all. Okay? Because some of y'all had problems paying. It was too much money before. This, that, the third. Look, $77. If you come correct, even with $100 account, and you sign up for the 1 week, $77. Come on, you're gonna make more than that. Oh, come on, stop playing with your life. It could be the best $77 you ever invested in. I am basically giving it away. You know, I'm basically giving it away, Alicia. I know. It's like a freebie. It's like a freebie. What are you doing? This man is insane. What is he doing? How does he do this? I'm telling you. I'm just gonna shut everything down. I'm gonna shut everything down. Feel me? Windows shutdown voice. Look, man. Come rock with your boy for 1 week. This is probably the last time I'm gonna do it, guys. This is probably the last intensive that I'm gonna do because you guys know that we do have something else that we are working on, and we need some time to get that started. But I'm just letting everybody know. A lot of you guys want to get involved. A lot of you guys want to extend the live trading again. And I'm like, yo, again. But I'm like, you know what? I'll do 1 week if you guys give me a week break. And we'll go in every day. Trading. So it's exclusively live trading for New York session from 9 to 11 every morning. But also I do Asian classes as well. Well, I have a few master classes that week and live Q&A sessions, for you if you need it as well. Good job, Andrew. Very proud of you, my brother. Andrew said, TTA has helped me open 2 accounts and make 2 withdrawals so far. Let's go. Because that's what we do, Andrew. Andrew's power level is...
It's over 9,000!
He's just leveling up too crazy right now. My guy. I like it. I like it, Andrew. I like it. Okay? So, I'm just saying you guys might want to get in. Okay, you do have a week to sign up. All right, so you have official 7 days because I'm going to start next week, Sunday. That'll be the first day. So you might want to get in. I'm just saying. It's very cheap and very worth it. All right. For all my students who've been rocking with me, right? Look, Maya said she made $200 on NAS Friday. Crazy. Right? So that was just 1 day, Maya. Exactly. So what would you guys value live trading with me every single week, y'all? If y'all had to put a dollar amount on it, do you think it's worth more than $77? I mean, I'm just saying. I'm pretty sure it's worth more than $77, right? Somebody talk to me. Mm-hmm. Renee says funny. She said no because if we say yes, the price may go up. Renee, I'm letting you know right now. Look, Renee's funny, y'all. Look. I'm not increasing the price. That's it. I'm leaving it at $77. That's it. There is no price increase. There's nothing. It's literally, that's it. I want to make it affordable so I can have everyone come in, hang out with me a week, make money, and we all be happy. You know? Yeah, for sure, Alicia. That's what I would think. 500 to 1,000 a month. I mean, most traders can't really live trade with you successfully every single week. Jeffrey, I don't do London session, my brother. I'm sorry. It sucks, man. I'm sorry. One week, one of these weeks, I'm gonna have to, hey y'all, London session trade-off week. That'd be crazy. Just every day we do London instead of New York. I'd have to switch my whole schedule around, but that's the only way I'd be able to do London. I'd have to legit do London every day to just like reset my body for that. That would be crazy. Yeah, exactly, Andrew. I'm trying to keep it cheap and doable for people because we did the 2 weeks from anywhere from 150 to 200, and a lot of people were like, oh, I can't afford it. A lot of people want it in. And, I'm like, okay, well, what if we do 75 for 1 week? I'm just saying. So it does start next week, guys. If you don't have the money now, you do have all week to get it, but I will say that it will be worth it for sure. And to get in ASAP. Okay. So you have a whole week to prepare, whole week to trade by yourself, study everything, go over the charts, and then that next week we'll start studying, trading live, and doing everything together. And you can see how you do, where you, excuse me, you can compare how well you're doing this week without me to then when you have my guidance next week and see how much better you do. Yeah, Bianca, I feel you. It's really not that. It's really just I'm trying to get back. I'm trying to get back, to be honest. You know, I know a lot of people can't live trade in front of hundreds and hundreds of people every day and actually perform well on a consistent basis. It's not easy, guys. I'm not gonna lie. I know great traders who can trade, and I know great traders who can just teach. And it's hard to actually do both simultaneously. So it is a skill for sure. That has to be cultivated, which I have, right? So I think it's one of the best ways to learn really how to become financially profitable on a consistent basis is really seeing it every day on the daily. It's something I wish that I had. Like if I was younger and I was really trying to master my trading, the one thing that I would have wanted to see is maybe one of my mentors or coaches actually trade live like every day. Like how are they getting in? How are they getting out? How are they managing the trade? What is their risk reward looking like? What is their management style looking like? These are all very important things, guys. Like what is their psychology? How are they thinking? Like those are the very intangible things of the market that I can't teach you. I can't teach you that, right? You kind of just have to see that for yourself and then kind of just absorb everything that I'm going through and use it to your ability to make your own decisions. Right? You're not gonna get those intangible things from me teaching you price action or a candlestick pattern or a strategy because trading is much more psychological, mental, and account management than it is technical, right? So these are the separators between usually people that are doing good in trading and people who are like at the pinnacle of their level. It's like those small details of separation. Yeah, exactly, Andrew. And I'm not perfect. I don't have 100% day winning days, guys. You know, I take losses here and there, of course, but I'm very transparent with my losses. And we take losses as a team, and then we always see how we can better or could have bettered that trade, right? We always go over it so we can make sure that that doesn't happen again, right? And I kind of like doing that. I actually look forward to the losses because I don't really lose these days. And when I lose, it shows me on ways I can get better. And that's the pinnacle thing that I try to teach with my students. It's not about, I would say, trying to make money every day, but more so trying to get 1% better every day. If you can get 1% better every day, get better entries, get cleaner exits, get better with your risk management, get better with your strategy a little bit, better with your back testing, whatever that is, you will ultimately hit your goal when it comes to trading. Right? So come hang out with me and come get better because you're going to get better. You're going to get better hanging out with me. Trust me. I know a thing or two. Just a little bit about this market stuff. Just a little bit. You know, I've been doing it for some time. Just a little. So for those of you, I know there's a lot of new you guys coming in. All right. Here is the link to sign up. Okay. In our Telegram, it's in the description below as well. It is only, I'll say, for the last time before we start marking up the charts, it's $77 for 1 week. What are you doing? What are you doing? Come on. Come on. What are you waiting for? What are you scared of? What else? What else you got to do? Come on. $11 a day. to learn how to make money every day. Come on. All right. I'm just saying. So I think it's very, very cheap, very doable. I think everyone here can get on. Seriously. Okay. So if you ever been with me, ever want to rock with me, now is your chance. All right. Now's your chance. And there you go. I guess that's it. I guess we can start marking up charts, answering some questions. You know? I'm just saying. Um Lynn said better than the Black Friday. Exactly, Lynn.
Stop the cap.
You hear me? Better than the Black Friday sale.
You the fucking best. You the fucking best.
All right. Well, this is the family show, so we're gonna bleep that out in the recording. This is a family show. How do you become a master trader? Do you need a license in the state that you live in? I wouldn't even consider myself a master trader. I just trade masterfully. Ha 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 ha. No, I'm joking. No, I wouldn't consider myself a master trader. No. But I am pretty good at trading. Let me say that. And even I know people who have licenses, and that does not mean that you're a good trader. Just because you have a license, don't mean that you're a better trader than me, sir. It just means you know the regulations a little bit better. It means you know the operations and the procedures a little better. It means you know all the little minor details just a little bit better. But some of the best traders I know don't even have any type of licenses. But I do think having a license helps you. Okay? Yeah, we can look at AUDUSD, guys. We're going to look at it. Is that what y'all want? Y'all want some AUD, my babe? AUDUSD. My baby. Baby. We can mark it up. 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 Yeah, I'm okay at teaching. I'm not too bad. I'm all right. You know, I'm not too bad at teaching, y'all. I'm all right. I know how to teach a little bit. Okay. Let's see here. ADSD. Let's mark it up real quick. Let's go to the weekly, and I'm overall bearish on AUDUSD for sure. All right. Definitely overall bearish on it. It's definitely making lower lows. Lower lows, lower highs. On the daily, it looks actually really, really nice here. This looks like a head and shoulders here, even though it looks very yucky. See that, like right here? All right. Let's go to the line chart. Looks a little bit cleaner. But anyway, it's holding these zones, holding the structure. Right? I would say so. So it definitely depends how AUDUSD handles this daily level. This is a very strong level here. Okay, so it's a very strong level where it's at. Very strong level where it's at. So I would say we should be patient here. Like on the higher time frame, on the daily, weekly, this is a pretty strong zone. So AUDUSD, I would wait to see it does until I would say New York session Monday. Be very careful. It's overall bearish, but it could possibly pop up here. It could possibly pop up. Maybe give us a nice huge setup here, and then drop like midweek reversal, like Wednesday, Thursday, something like that. Because the overall trend is down, right? But it actually might retrace up as a retracement and then drop. So just look out for that. Even though I don't think this is gonna happen, as far as like this big of a retracement, I don't think it's gonna be like this 100 pip retracement. I don't think that's gonna happen, but I do think AUD could retrace, maybe something like this, right? Start to consolidate, boom, 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 and then that's more of a more than likely setup. So again, we're overall bearish, but we are at a significant weekly level, daily level. So just something to monitor, beautiful people. That's all. All right. Something to be cognizant of. Let me see. Oh, Monday's a holiday. That's right. That's right. Monday is a holiday. I'm still probably gonna trade NAS though. How do you see that May Wednesday? Well, Ramona, because I just understand market cycles, my dear. You got to understand market cycles, right? You got to understand that a lot of times, right? So if it's going to trend down, right? Let's just think about it hypothetically. Okay, if you were a market maker, or you were just, let's say, an institution, and overall AUD is going down, you like everyone knows this thing's going to drop, right? It's super overall bearish. What would you do? Would you just drop it on Monday when the market is open? Everyone's expecting it to drop. Is that what you would do? What would you do? Or would it make more sense to let me try to fake everybody out, maybe consolidate a little bit, pop up, and then drop? Fake everyone out of the move and then drop in the middle of the week. Maybe Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Doesn't that make a little bit more sense? Right? So you just have to think about it on a very strategical level, what they would want to do. Monday is a holiday, guys. It's Labor Day. So the volatility will probably be, not there as much. Yes, Ramona. Remember we went over the market manipulation stuff, and I was like, that was like 1.0. I can go deeper into it. Market manipulation 2.0. Maybe I should do that for the intensive next week. Maybe I should make that a cold class, like the advanced market manipulation stuff, not the stuff that most people know. And it's like, oh, MAAW, or what is it? Yeah, MAAW or WAA or WVVM. Like, not the basic stuff. I'm talking the more advanced stuff. That would be great. Yeah, exactly. That'd be like part 2, Len. So basically, if you did both intensives, you would get part 1 and part 2. Yeah, it's just like backtesting Ramona will help you predict the days and times better. So it's really just about backtesting and understanding your pair, understanding what works well for you, understanding what are your best pairs when they move. So a lot of that is really dependent upon you studying and backtesting your pair. Okay. So let's see what NAS. Let's see what NAS is on this one. Let's see here. Okay. Let's all right. So Nas continued to be bearish. RNP shot up, then dropped. So let's look at the weekly. Let's look at the daily. Let's look at the monthly. Because the monthly did just end here. And monthly, weekly. Really depends how Nas. This is a pretty critical area for Nas here. Because if Nas breaks this zone, guys, like look, if it keeps getting bearish, right, and keeps dropping, and then breaks that level, we will essentially have, and I'm recording this will be the start of, I believe, the economic depression of America, 2022, 2023. I do think so. Because after it breaks that level, it's going to have nowhere to go. It's going to free fall. It's going to have nowhere to go. And it can easily drop all the way down here. And the last time it's been down here was March 2020. I think it's going to be a huge, huge correction. And it's going to drop hard. It's going to drop hard. Once it breaks this level, it's going to drop hard. Okay, it's going to drop hard. And this is going to be a very hard correction on the NAS market. So, that's really on the daily, weekly side. I mean, it could come to this level. I mean, retest it. It could do something like this, guys. So don't get too scared, but it could be something like this. Boom, boom, boom. Okay, then it may hold this area and then maybe go up. Okay, who knows? I'm not trying to fear monger you guys. Maybe it will hold this level here. But what I'm saying is that if it breaks this level, oh baby, NAS is going to drop. So I think we're overall still bearish. I'm going to look for sells all this week on NAS. But at this point, we do need some healthy retracements, though, as it continues to go down. We need some healthy retracements. So I would look for sells rest of the week for NAS. Wait, oh, did he? Did he earn this? Mel talked about that in the chat. Very interesting. Very interesting. Wow. Shout out to my guy, Mel, one of my students. So, yeah, guys, definitely how NAS holds this bottom level will tell us a lot about the economy, to be honest. If it holds this level, maintains it, good. If it breaks this level, not so good. Economy is going to definitely go in a downturn for a while, So, there's something to look out for. All right, I will be looking at this heavily. And of course, I'll be looking at it with my students. Any other pairs you guys want me to look at? I really just want to hop on with you guys and let you guys know that the 1 week intensive is lit. And you need to get in. Because at 8 o'clock, I'm doing another class for the 2 week intensive students. The last class for them. Euro odd. We could do Euro odd. Euro odd. Your odds at a sticky situation. It's bearish right now. So the way I like to look at this is we have 1, 2, 3 waves up here. I think it's kind of at this point probably going to do a nice 2-wave correction and then continue. So I have it temporarily being bearish and then continuing up to the upside, probably in the middle of the week or something like that. That's what I'm thinking with Euro possibly. But I think it is going to drop first before going up. Has hit this zone, has hit this level here. That's what I'm thinking. Sabine said, I learned so much just watching Ryan Che live. So many aha moments. Exactly. Let's go. Of course they're going to learn. The heck? You think this is? The heck? What you think this is? Think you're not going to learn? You think you're not going to learn? Do y'all not understand? Y'all don't even know what the Sharingan is. I have Sharingan in real life. Okay. All right. I see things other people can't see in the market. Okay. The vision is clear. And I'm not talking about 2020. I'm letting y'all know. It is about that time. Okay? It was about that time. Okay? Y'all remember when I told Naz to drop and she just dropped 70 points? I'm like, listen, if you don't drop right now, Naz, we bully the markets every day. Okay? We bully the markets at this point. It's kind of getting disrespectful. Let me see. It's the patience you show for us. You take your time and don't ever. Exactly, bro. Patience is needed. Patience is needed. Okay? Every day, the goal is to literally murder the market. Fatality. Okay? Just scorpion. Get over here. Chokehold. Slam. That's what I'm trying to do to the market every day. Okay? We did not come to play. I got you, Jason. I gotta check my Telegram messages. I've been trying to get back to everybody. You said it was on point on Friday. Just happened at a later time. Exactly, Jelani. I know it was on point, bro. I know you saw what I. Exactly, bro. I know I was on point. It was end of P though, so it played around. It was like 1, 2 o'clock or something. Pathetic. It's all right. Come on, bro. You know what we do. Lynn, the whole, and I'm gonna upgrade the soundboard for the 1 week intensive. Yes, the soundboard's getting upgraded. Oh, you thought I was gonna come with a regular soundboard? You thought I was gonna come with the okie doke with the regular decular? No, it's getting upgraded. And this one will be it's gonna be super 100% Wednesday night hefty bag on a dumpster. Put it in a can. Listen, I'm gonna make this one look like child's play with the next upgrade to the soundboard, okay? I'm just letting you guys know. Soundboard 2.0. 2.0 soundboard, 2.0 Ryan, 2.0 money, 2.0 everything. Everything. It's coming through. Ryan, why do you say that Euro would hit those 2 points and turn around instead of going all the way down? Sure, Eric. Let's go over it, bro. Well, because overall, when we go to the daily, it's still pretty bearish here. It's still pretty bearish here, but on the weekly, we have it's at a higher time frame on the weekly though. It's on the higher, it's at a higher resistance support level on the weekly. If you look at it here, So, I think that once it does come down, bounce to this level, this is a huge weekly level here. It's going to reject it pretty hard, I think. And if I have AUDs going bearish, then I think Euro Auss will probably get bullish. But who knows? It might even come down and break this level and actually make 3 waves down instead of 2. So it could do 1, 2, 3 and come all the way down to this next level here. It could do that. I'm just showing you possibilities, my friend. That's all. Hopefully that made sense, though. I am crazy earnest. Come on, bro. Do I look regular? Come on. Do I look like a normie? Do I look like a regular person? I'm crazy. Anyone who trades for 7, 8 years, he's loopy. Okay? No one does this career for a living, all right, for 7, 8 years. You got to be crazy. You have to be, your screws have to be on loose. Do you understand what I'm talking? You feel me? Like, it's just, there's no way around it. There's no way you're going to be a regular person in society and you've been trading 7, 8 years looking at candlesticks and numbers flicker. Okay, you got to be a little weird. So I just embrace it at this point. I'm a little loopy. But I think you have to be just a tad bit of loopy to understand the markets a little better. You know? So that's it, really. But yeah, guys, any last questions? Any last questions? Put them in the chat about the intensive, about the markets, about anything coming up. Yeah, Ernest, you are crazy, my brother. We're all a little crazy. If you've been hanging around with me, then the crazy probably rubbed off on you, and you're probably a tad bit crazy too. Show me your friends, and I'll show you who you are. And if you listen to my light skin voice too much, yeah, you might get a little crazy. Okay, you might. Can I look at EU stuff? Sure, I can look at EU. Let's look at EU real quick for Steph. Let me see. Euro USD. Let's remove all this. Let's go to the daily. Let's go to the weekly. Wow, insanely bearish here. Wow. The monthly just closed. Holy snap. Holy smokes. Euro is super bearish. My lord. It has not been this low since ever of everdom. Since ever of everdom, Euro USD has not been this low. This is kind of nuts. This is not good. The euro is looking filthy. It is looking like absolute 100%. You know what I'm gonna say? What was that? 100% pure. Say it in the chat. Come on, chat. Y'all supposed to help me out here. It's looking like wait for it. Maya said trash. Sarah said trash. Alexander said trash. Yo, see y'all are so smart. No, wrong. No, not trash. This time it was gonna be garbage. 100% pure Cambodian dumpster truck on a trash day. Garbage. Come on, you gotta be quicker than that. It's like the freaking commercial. Oh, gotta be quicker than that. You know the commercial, the guy with the fishing rod and the reel. Gotta be quicker than that. See, you just gotta be on your toes when you're on my session. Can't be slacking, can't be sleeping over here. Garbage. Okay, let me explain to you why Euro USD is garbage, because it is completely and utterly breaking all levels. Wow, this is pretty interesting. Pretty interesting here. Euro USD looks like it's still incredibly bearish on the monthly. It has broken this level here, shattered that level here. That is not good for Euro USD. Okay, the last time it was this low was in October of 2002. Think about that. 20 years ago. It hasn't been this low since 2022 or 2002. 20 years ago, Euro USD, RIP. My lord. This is not looking good for Euro USD. Okay? But that's fine. We can make a bag off it. Huh? So I'm thinking to sell the crap out of some euro. All right, Euro USD for sure. I'm looking at for euros because if this thing tank and melt to the center of the earth, I want to be the one to catch it. All right, with every great recession and depression comes what, y'all? I just need y'all to know. With every recession and depression, don't think it's a bad thing. It's a bad thing for people who are not financially awake. No. I mean, I agree with you, Maya. It is a sell overall on euros for sure. But what I'm saying is, thank you, Lynn. Lynn, let's go. Let's go. Let's go, Lynn. Let's go.
Another one.
Okay. Lynn with the correct answer. Let's showcase Lynn. Lynn said millionaires are exactly depressions and recessions. That is the time when most millionaires are created, y'all. I need y'all to understand that. Whenever there is a big transfer of wealth, it is usually when the economy is in a decline, not in the upswing. Okay? Because the rich start to get richer and opportunities start to open up. Okay? You have to think about it from a very common sense type of approach. Whenever you have problems, it gives you the opportunity to what? Get better, get smarter, get wiser, correct? Same thing with our economy. When we have these economic depressions and recessions and the economy is really, really bad, what happens now is we now have small little, let's say, glimpse, okay, in certain areas of the market where, there's holes now that need to be filled. And if you're smart enough, you can figure out, okay, what's bad, what's over here, what's going on, and figure out how you can tap into that market and make a lot of money. Okay? Because all the economy is going through a problem. So if you're smart enough or intelligent enough to find the answer to that problem, you can make a lot of money. Right? So it's not about being scared of when the economy goes down. It's just being prepared for it. Preparation is key. That's it. All right. So I can't talk about the US market, but I can just say Euro USD, it's not looking good. Okay. Not looking good. And we already see on the NASDAQ how if it breaks that weekly level, and that may take maybe another couple weeks or so, who knows? But if it breaks that level, 2023 is going to be a very catastrophic year for the US. Because that can mean like the NAS drops for a couple months, just continuously drop. I'm just saying. So maybe you should be on some charts more. You would understand these things. You'd be able to see these things. All right. Windows of opportunity. I agree, Ernest. And even if the markets do a significant drop, we can make money on the downside or the upside. Does not matter. That is the beauty of what we do. Exactly, Lynn. So this is what I would say, guys, and this is some real game. I believe that right now is not really the time you want to buy property. I think right now is a seller's market. When it comes to property, like real estate, I think right now is a seller's market. So if you have equity, if you have a house with equity and you want to sell it off for profit, I believe now is the time. There's so many interest rates and so many things that the banks are now doing to get people to buy. I think that legit it's going to be another housing market crash. Like, oh wait. So here's the thing that you should know. How do I prepare for this, Ryan? You stack your money. You save up, okay? Because once these houses start to lose a lot of value, a lot of foreclosures, Okay, a lot of people want to lose their houses, lose their homes, and guess what? The intelligent people, the smart people, are going to be ready to buy, and that is how you get a very undervalued asset. And you buy and hold that for a couple years, and let that thing equity skyrocket. It's like buying low. It's like buying Bitcoin at $500. Okay, you don't want to buy at the top when it's 60,000. Okay, you want to buy when it's really low. Same thing with houses. It's a market as well. Okay, so I believe that in the next, I think between this year and next year, something's gonna happen. We're in due for a market correction. Okay, and I think especially the housing market is gonna plummet. I think, and that's good for me because I'm just gonna stack my money and buy some Airbnbs, buy some multi rentals, some multi properties, all that type of stuff. I think that's gonna be again a huge way you can create that transfer of wealth, guys. Preparing for that. Let me see what Megan. She said. Megan said, "Yep, just was told that by a realtor." Megan, I, I'm not even a realtor. So I'm not even a real estate guy, and I know this because I look at the charts every day. I can tell you.
Another one.
I can tell you. Okay, the 2008 recession. Guess what? We're gonna have what, DJ Khaled?
Another one.
And then
another one.
Oh. And if you're not prepared, then
another one.
I'm just saying. You want to be prepared. You guys got to understand it's coming, with or without you. And I can't give you an exact date. I don't think anyone can ever predict the date. But I'm telling you, as you guys are seeing, so many things is happening. Gas is going up. The Dow's being super inflated. NAS looks like it can drop. A lot of these other currencies are looking like they're really dropping hard. Okay. The housing market, they're actually decreasing interest rates. They're trying to get a lot of people to buy quickly houses for no money down. Yeah, okay. All right, bank. I trust you, sir. Hey, Sabine, I'm definitely getting this out. I agree. Lynn, exactly. So, Lynn, you've been a broker for a long time, right? She said, "I have the cash though because interest rates won't be 4 to 5% this time around." What do you predict they'll be, Lynn? Since you are a broker, you know, if the market really corrects and drops hard, what do you think the percentage would be? You want that fast amount, but it's coming. Oh yeah, for sure. It's not gonna happen quickly, guys. It's a slow, gradual decline. It's a slow, gradual. It's not gonna just one day you wake up, oh, stock market's dead. That's not gonna happen. They would not let that happen. The whole world would collapse in one day, right? It's just a slow, gradual decline. You know, things are slowly, gradually going to get worse. It's not going to get better. It's going to get worse. Like you see the gas going up, it's going to get worse. You see rent going up, it's going to get worse. You see how wages they're not getting any higher. The cost of living is going up. Inflation is going up. Everything is going up. Okay, it's a very gradual process. It's going to be to the point where regular people cannot even afford apartments. Regular people are not going to be able to afford to buy a house. It's going to get that critical real soon. And that's what I'm saying. You got to be prepared, guys. Got to be prepared, family. They were 18, 19 back in the early 90s. Wow. I agree, Steph. I agree. Like, I haven't bought a house yet. But I was thinking about buying one. And I'm like, you know what? I think I'm just going to wait maybe another year or two, because if we have a huge correction in the housing market, that's when I wanted that year just buy like a good 10, 20 properties. Boom, just let's go. Buy 10, 20 multi-units. Buy low, baby. Buy low. That's really what I want to do. watch them raise them and where the ones who know what's going. Exactly, my everything's going up at the pay, so it's a very gradual thing, guys. Right? So it's just being economically aware, not just trading, but understanding everything that's going on. And I can foresee that there's going to be something, like the market needs to correct because there's too much bad stuff happening at this point, and it's not getting better. Exactly. The best thing I think most people can do with property is getting it as a rental, because even if you lose the equity in the house, you can still have you making net positive money every single month, and then ride the wave of the equity then increasing after a couple years. Because it will take a couple years for the equity to bounce back. Of course, Serwa. I might hit Ghana up, buy some land in Ghana. But all right, guys, pricing will go up TBG. But letting everyone know in the description below, the 1 week. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys real quick. All right, because I have to hop off and do the class. I have to do a class for the 2 week intensive people. All right, but I'm gonna show you guys what this looks like. The link tree. So let me share the link tree really quick, and all my 2 week people, I'm gonna hop on with you guys in a second. So let me see, where's the link tree. Okay, so check this out, guys. Right, this is the link tree link. You can join TTA for free here. Right, you can see the testimonials right here. And then if you want to join for the September 7-day boot camp, trading boot camp, okay, it is only $77. So 7 days for $77. Okay, it's going to start September 11th. So exactly 7 days from now. Okay, and it's only going to be New York and Asian sessions. Okay, New York and Asian sessions here. All right, so very easy. Okay, just wanted to show you guys that in case you guys were interested. All right, because I'm gonna do this will be my last one, guys, and then I'm done. I'm done after this because you guys know of all the other masterful plans we have for 2022. But this will be the last intensive that you can get from me or Max. And if you missed the 2 week, or you did the 1 week with us before, or even if you did everything, then for sure you will see how beneficial it is. It is extremely beneficial. So take this time to take what you learned from the past 2-3 weeks with me, trade by yourself this week, see how you do, see if you got a little bit better, see if things are slowly piecing together, and then we'll meet next week and let's see if I can help you a little bit more. So this week will be a really good test for you to see how well you're trading without me. Without me every morning telling you what to do, showing you what I'm looking at. You should use this week to test yourself. Okay? And then come back next week and you should be able to compare this week trading without me with next week and see what happens. Of course, I'll be teaching it, Catherine. Eileen, I'll post it in the Telegram. Once I hop off of here, I'm going to post the Zoom link for the 2 week people. All right. So see you guys. Love you all. I'll see you guys on the inside. All my free people, make sure to hop in. Okay, the link is in the description. 7-day intensive, only $77. What are you waiting for? Okay. Less than a date. 7 days, really learn from someone who knows how to trade, who can actually live trade with you every single day and show you how to get good and consistent with these markets. Love you guys. Peace. See you later.